If your Google Merchant Center has the flag no physical locations in your country of sale, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you a couple things that may be triggering that and a couple ways that we've gotten rid of that flag working with clients here at StubGroup. And if you don't know who I am, my name is John. I'm the CEO of StubGroup, and we're a premier Google partner and the #1 resource in the world for fixing Google suspensions and policy issues. So we've been seeing this flag pop up a number of times recently, where Google says in the Merchant Center, no physical stores found in countries of sale. We've even seen Merchant Centers suspended for this reason. And it's kind of this weird esoteric little thing that most people don't come across. But there are a couple of reasons that you might be seeing this in your account. First of all, probably the only reason that you're going to see this flag in your account will be if you have one of two add-ons turned on in your Google Merchant Center. So there's a spot in your Google Merchant Center called add-ons, and if you go there and if you have either free local listings and or local inventory ads turned on, if you have it turned on, you might be seeing this notification. If you don't have those turned on, then you're probably not going to see this notification. Because the notification relates specifically to these local programs that Google has, where they equip you to actually show information to users about what products are in stock locally at a physical location near that user. So if you're not trying to do that, if you're not trying to show local inventory levels to people near your store, then go ahead and turn off these add-ons, and that'll probably take care of the issue right there. Now, if you are legitimately trying to do this in the local side of things, I've also seen this be a problem where somebody had everything set up correctly and they had a Google business profile for their physical location that was linked to the Merchant Center, and it was in the right country. They were targeting the United States, their feed was set up for the United States, and the Google business profile was for an address in the United States. And in that situation, we actually had to work with our team at Google to say, what's wrong here? What's going on? Everything looks good. And we went through some hoops with them, provided some information, explanation, etc. And long story short, they said, you know what, this is an incorrect flag, removed it, and we were able to take care of that problem. So again, this should only be a problem if you are trying to run local inventory ads or free local listings. If you're not doing one of those things, make sure you turn off the add-on in your Merchant Center account. And if you are, and you do actually have business profile connected, it's in the right country, etc., it may be worth reaching out to Google support, or if you're not sure how to do that, reach out to us at StubGroup, we can help with that. Or alternatively, maybe you actually don't have things set up correctly. Maybe you don't have a Google business profile in that country connected correctly to your account, in which case you'll need to obviously fix that to get rid of that issue. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any other questions about Google policies, advertising in general, etc., please don't hesitate to reach out through StubGroup.com.